Chris here from Warranty Valet, and today I'm going to show you the exact steps to claim your Stanley warranty. So let's get right into it. First, head over to Warranty Valet. Just click the link in the description below or search Warranty Valet online. Once you're on the page, you'll see the entire process broken down into 3 simple steps. But before you dive in, scroll down and take a quick look at the What's Covered and What's Not Covered sections. Trust me, that one step alone will save you a ton of time later. Now here's a pro tip if you don't want to go through the process manually. Just hit Submit a Warranty Claim on our page. That's it. Our warranty claim experts will handle the entire process on your behalf. Easy, right? And hey, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. We cover warranty claims for loads of brands just like this. Okay, back to it. But if you prefer to do it yourself, no problem. Scroll down to the Useful Links section on our page and click the link. This will take you straight to the Stanley warranty page. From there, just fill in the required details and hit Submit a Help Ticket. And if that feels like a lot, remember, we at Warranty Valet can handle all of this for you. If you run into any issues at any point, just reach out to us at Warranty Valet and our team will sort it out for you right away. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.